No trip to McDonald's is complete without having this delicious pizza McPuff. But what if we tell you that you can make this at home in really simple steps and it would taste just like the one that you have at McDonald's? So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this, you would need about 2 cups of maida. Now, to this, we're adding about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about half cup of vegetable oil, salt to taste. And now we're going to knead this into a soft dough and we are going to keep it aside for about 30 minutes. And now it's time to prepare our filling. Take a pan and add some oil. To this we've added crushed garlic. Now we'll add thinly sliced onions, salt, and we're going to cook this until it becomes translucent. Now to this we're going to add capsicums. We're now adding carrots. And mixing this all well. We don't want to overcook this, we just want the veggies to be crunchy. Tomatoes, some boiled corns. So you can add any veggies of your choice. You can also add peas to this, you can add beans to this. Now once our veggies are cooked and they look crunchy enough, we're going to add some seasonings, starting with salt, oregano seasoning, and chili flakes. Time to add our sauces, starting with pizza pasta sauce. Now we're going to add tomato ketchup and a little bit of chili sauce. This is optional. If you like chili, then you can add more red chili sauce and even green chili sauce to this. Mixing this all well. Last but not the least, grated mozzarella cheese. You can add as much as you want. The cheesier the better. Our filling is now prepared. It's time to see that dough that we had set aside for about 30 minutes. We're going to thinly roll this and we're going to now cut the sides like so. Placing the filling in the center, and now we're going to cover this. And now we're going to firmly secure the sides so that once we fry, the filling is not coming out of the McPuff. Make sure that you take time, this is an important step. To secure this further, we are doing it with a fork as well. That's it. Now it's time to fry. We have heated an oil in a pan and we're going to fry this in medium to high flame until it becomes golden. And that's it. Our delicious crunchy McDonald's style pizza McPuff is ready at home in just few steps. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to our channel for more such easy and simple cooking.